Hello. Always, always, always. I'm doing great. How are you? Uh, Maybe someday. I don't know what to swap it to, so I will just keep it for now until I have a better idea. And how are you doing? So I've been secretly working a bit on the AI here. So we have some. It can do its chopping, pick some random shelves, based on how many items it needs. And then it will go and try to pay. And yeah, I guess that is like one of the features I need to fix. It's like taking payment of some sort. I guess it should be frustrated if it can't get its payment. And yeah, I don't know, something like that. And now it will just end up in this beautiful loop here when it's done. So yeah, something like that, I guess. That is today's goal. But I also need to make sure that this is working again. I don't know if I broke it. And yeah, the... Okay, cool, it works. I guess if you place a bunch of shelves like this, you can block the customer. That's like, you can be the asshole here. Should be the main feature of the game. Just annoy your customers until they leave. Yeah, it's like it's turning out somewhat nice. I have a game loop now, which yeah, could not be happier. But I'm wondering like what to do about this situation. Should they not? Should they just be able to walk through? What do you think? Should they just be able? No physics, no colliders. I wonder how that feels. Should be fairly easy to fix. I think it's the mesh. Maybe the capsule component is the one that is driving the collisions. Mm. Okay, here. Character mesh collision. So if it never... If it just ignores it, it should work, right? Never mind. Yeah, I guess the point of it would be to have a bunch of AIs So this is a pawn. Okay, I will figure this out later. But yeah, probably. I should probably disable it. Yeah, since the corners are so tight. Okay, no collisions is always block. Okay. So if we do custom and then block pawns. Nope. Yeah, exactly. First question solved. No collisions. I wonder if this falls through the world. No, okay. So this is not the correct place. Ah, here, probably. No collisions. Okay, yeah, it fell through the world. Okay, collision presets, custom. There. Okay, nice. Perfect. Whee! I guess this or making the world bigger. But yeah, we can try this for now. Feels weird that you can't block them. Sweet. Okay, so now to the shopping. So I guess it should be able to find its cashier, cash reg. Should move there. And then I guess we need to create like a custom condition. So it should probably create some custom condition to either wait until the time runs out and get mad and leave and you get no cash, or you pay and we're happy. Okay, so I guess starting off with the payment, I should be able to pay when it's waiting. And I guess it's just interacting with the cash registry. I guess I should do some committing before I start it in case I break stuff. Cool, cool, cool. I don't know if I should have like prices. That feels a bit complex, right? I guess everything could just have a base price or something. And then you get X amount of cash every time a customer with X amount leaves. So it's like, I guess, X equals items, and then like times base price equals cash. And then, because my goal here is, in the end, I kind of want you to be able to place the shelves yourself wherever you want. So if you're blocking a customer, then it should also be mad. Okay, then yeah, we can do that later. But yeah, so you can like build your own little store. Yeah, that could be fun. But yeah, it should definitely have like a patience period on how long it wants to wait. So now we're gonna learn more, because I've never worked with behavior trees before, so it's quite fun actually. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to call this node. It's like wait or mad or wait. Oh, I think I can do this in a simpler way. So you could add like I think it's a sequence. And the sequence would have like a conditional check if we have paid or not. Which in this case would be in this blackboard. It just has paid. And the default value should always be false, right? And you could have like times weighted. And what else would you need? Yeah, we could probably add some like random. We could randomize the times they want to wait. We could randomize the times, like the amount of time for each wait they want to do until they get mad. So we want to have a I guess some like a blueprint conditional. Blackboard. Based on condition blackboard. There you go. Okay, so while has paid is not set. Perfect. Yeah, exactly. That is, I'm glad you're keeping me on track. Because I would just derail this and start implementing tons of other stuff. Okay. Can you do like set value? Set bool. Has paid. Okay. No, I would just create a custom node. Custom node is the better way to go. Task node. Cache reg interaction. Cool. So I guess we need some kind of cache registry interaction. So when you try to execute the task, we need to continuously check if we have paid or not. For now, this could be like this, and we need to implement some kind of payment system for the cache registry. Yeah, that would be, I guess, the next thing. So our little shopper dude. Where is my player? There's my player. So we have this like interaction distance here, and then it can check if it has interacted with the cashier or not. cash registry. Base cash reg. And I guess this could have like a, so currently it has a queue point. I guess it would need an array of people in it too, which would be the base shopper. So queue of people. And then this would have, I guess, some kind of interaction. Player interact. So, all right, yeah, okay. So in this shopper then, you would probably have blueprint read write. This would just be a bool of has paid. So we can then set this just has paid thing, and then we should be happy. I'm not sure if I want to do something fancy with this later. So we can just call it from a function. True. Yeah, exactly. So we have this like player interact, and then we can have a queue of people. I guess if the queue is bigger than nothing, we should just, oh, I wonder if, no fancy data structures. A array is fine and dandy. So if it's just bigger, then we can call this and we can has paid interaction. This should be a pointer. Cool. And then we can just remove this person from the queue. Then you would be done interacting. So now this should be true, which means, okay, so we have this cache register interaction queue thing. Can this ever fail? No. Okay, so I have no clue how this works. So when you execute a task, start a task should return succeed, failed, or in progress. Use finish latent task when returning in progress. Consider constant modify objects. Okay. What is this finish latent task? Wrapper for node tick wrap task tick task. So I guess if something is in progress, it will probably tick. Okay, so I assume okay, so I guess we should always, when this task executes, we should always return in progress. And then this should then override the tick method. Let's just do this. Wrap tick task. Perfect. I wonder, what is it returning? Returns true if it actually done some processing, or false if it was skipped because of no tick in between. I wonder why this would matter. Isn't that up to me? I don't know. The return statement. I guess true. Turn true. Why wouldn't we be able to track the amount of AIs? Why can't we do that? Tell me why. I just realized I didn't put some music on. Okay, so it should, hopefully this should just log. So to test this, I just need to like log this, see does it do what I expect it to do. Hey, hey. Member of DLL interface may not be declared with DLL interface. Ah, I'm an idiot. No. And then const override. Ah, okay, I can't override this. Okay, makes sense. Oops. Okay, tick task. I was reading the wrong thing. Tick task. Cool. Now. Cool. So it should hopefully start printing the task. So here it should be, yeah, cache read interaction. Should lower the amount of items needed to 1. No way. Okay. Okay, so now it's interacting with the task here. And we should see... We're not seeing any spamming here. That's bad. Yeah, definitely. Just being able to, set stuff. Log index. What is this? How do you tick tasks? And why isn't my task ticking? Tick, tick, tick. Ticks task, blah blah blah. Okay, be notified tick must be set to true. Be notified check. True. Ah, okay, it needs to be called in the constructor too. Be tick, notify tick. True. Cool. Reading documentation makes life easier. Hello, hello. I'm doing great. How are you? And I'm always doing great. Always, always, always. Always happy. Is that like a common thing to ask if your health is doing good? Cool. Okay, nice. It's now ticking. Perfect. Okay, that means that we can in here we can fetch like the object that we're waiting for. So we're waiting for a cache. Oh, cool. Where are you at this point if you're not at home? I think you said that you were going to celebrate something? I'm not sure. Cool, and here we can add queue. Void add shopper to queue. Oh, that's cool. Can be nice getting away sometimes, you know? Seeing new environments. And alright, yeah, that was like kind of the national holiday thing, if I remember correctly. Okay, and then we should just add Chopper to queue, and we add ourselves to the queue. Oh, okay. Cool that you're teaching students, but nice seeing you, man. Always happy to see you, man. Have a great time teaching. Okay. So I can't spell finish. Finish latent task. Spelling hard. And then there should be with EBT node result type succeeded. Perfect. So now it should work, hopefully. It should just stand there, wait until I come and take a payment. Our lovely customer here comes, steals an item, and we should be able to replenish it. Oh no, it crashed. Okay, oops. And I know why. So I got these keys here, and if I don't set them, then it will try to just fetch random things here that are not valid. I guess there should be a way of validating them and just exit the game if they're not valid. But who cares about safety? Safety last. Okay. It wasn't that. Maybe I should have looked what crashed the game actually. Oops. I wonder if it's We set the target point, we set the cash registry. It should be fairly okay. Ah, oops. Okay, I might have just accidentally not compiled, and that is why it crashed. Weird. I must have compiled at some awkward point, maybe. Or was it my interaction with some? Okay, I should look at my error messages next time. Okay, so now if I interact, okay, I'm not sure. Okay, now it actually might be an issue that this cash registry is too low. So whenever I try to interact with it, we can't. Here. Okay. Let's just add a big cube around it. Collision box collider. Perfect. Hopefully it should allow me to interact with it now. No. Generate overlap events. Overlap. Okay, so static mesh has block all dynamic. This should then have like block all dynamic the same way. Okay. Okay, cool. Now we can interact with the cash registry. Oh, I got paid, man. It works. Perfect. So now I just need the character to go and commit something. It should go and die, yeah. Can have like this kills. I think Unreal has this kill zone. Yeah, kill zone volume. Perfect. This is my kill volume. Then we can copy. Yeah, I know. My mean volume. Killing off our customers. Taking someone's money and then just killing them. That's harsh. Minus 960. was 860. We can check what point. Yeah, okay, around 50. That should be fine. Cool. I think we have a game loop now. Nice, nice. And now he's dead. Perfect. I think we can kill ourselves, yeah. That is a less optimal thing, that we can kill ourselves, but you know, sometimes if the time has come, you know. I should probably add these box colliders around other things too. I did it here. Smart me, not here. Dumb me. Okay, cool. We can now... We have a game loop. That's perfect. So let's commit this. Before I break it. Guess we should have some shopper spawner service. I worked with this for a while now and I still can't spell service. I need to fix my keyboard. My R key is semi-broken and it's semi-annoying. But I need to like... I need to solder the wire that I fixed the keyboard with initially back. How many doors are there? Currently there are 2 doors. One here, one here. I guess there should be a door here too. Can add one. Thank you for telling me. Because I guess here is the back room. So you got the boom, and then we can, and he goes and kills himself. Perfect. Yeah, storage room. Thank you, thank you, thank you. English is very hard. Not really. Oh, long day, long day. Can just copy paste my other code here. More singletons to the people. Okay, so Mr. Edit, or NumPy, or NPy, or Senpai. Should you be able to customize the storage room too? I appreciate that you're helping me with my also non-native language. I wonder, do you get a callback to the player when it dies? On destroy. On death. Death. Killed. Maybe it's an A pawn. Destroy. Destroyed. Killed. No. Okay, destroyed. There we go. So I guess just overriding the destroyed. Then just making sure that we get here. Log temp warning. Text. So if I just place this where he will walk, he can just die immediately. That will be perfect. Cool. Now we should see. We did not see death. Is it? Oh no. Okay, I don't remember what I said. Was it NPy or Senpai? Or NumPy? Maybe I should say like one word, and then you can say yes or no, and then we can move on to the next word. Ah, okay. Cool. NPy. I need to find... I want like a callback when it dies. When we destroy the character. But destroyed isn't called. It's probably when you call something else. You can just go to the kill zone. Kill zone volume. Kill Z volume. I guess it should have it. Yeah, here. Actor enter, damage type, blah blah blah. Damage fell out of world. Damage type. Okay. I guess I should just do this properly instead. And then we can name it more, I don't know, nicer. Yeah, exactly. They disappear like they were never there. Like we get the customers, we kill the customers. That is, and it's now a horror game. Okay, so it's an actor, and then just character. Shopper exit. Yeah, exactly. But currently we just kill them. We don't take their money. We have no cash system yet. Okay, so now we have this, we should create a volume. Yeah, but we want to take all their money, you know? Can't just take some when you can take everything. You need to be super greedy. I mean, imagine getting people to a place, taking their money, then killing them, then taking the rest of their money. That's like double dipping. Why can't we create... Okay, we can create box components. Yeah, exactly. And then on character, on something overlapped. How did the kill zone do it? Actor entered volume. Ah, okay, they just have a physics volume. Why didn't I do that? That's way smarter. Okay. Let's delete that. And that. And like you said, we need to count our customers, right? So when it dies, it will tell the shopper spawner service that, hey, your buddy's dead. And when it has told its buddy it's dead, we can maybe spawn a new customer. Actor enter volume. Cool. So I can generate our definition. And then we can also check if the other is A. So we're not killing ourselves. And when we have this, we know that it's a a shopper, we can just kill it, destroy. Yeah, yeah, we can have amount of customers that you have processed today, and we can have a counter of happy customers, sad customers. I didn't remove something. Also, I'm an idiot. I think I implemented the destroy function. Yeah, in the wrong class. Okay, yeah. That's great by me. Well. But yeah, we can count we can count the lovely, lovely customers. Now we should replace this. What did we call it? We called it shopper exit. Oh, okay, lol. It became a component, which makes sense. That's on me. Cool. And then it died, and I can walk through it without dying. Perfect. So here we had the shopper exit thing. So they can die gracefully. And with me knowing. That is the most important thing. I need to know that they are dead. Shopper, 1, 2 piece, 1 R. 2. Again, doing it over and over again. Okay, so now we can just init this. Can have like a lovely, lovely init method. Spawnable. I love that we have 2 Alexes. Okay, and now we have a new channel called Report Bugs. So I'm just gonna drown in drown in sadness. No, it's good. Report away. M spawnable, spawnable. M spawnable, spawnable. Now we can empty this out. And I should also include the world. New world. so we can reach all the spawnable classes. Okay. Cool. Now we can init it. So from the game mode, we can have this shopper service. Shopper spawner service, instance, init. Oops, not instance inside. Instance, init. We fetch the world. We can fetch the base shopper. Then, yeah. Now we should be able to send and receive spawns. So we can have a method called removed. Make a push-up every time you compile the code. Then I would be ripped. That would be amazing. I should really do that. But that would be a push-up on every error. That would be even worse. I'm just exhausted thinking about the... yeah, I'm just exhausted thinking about it. No, thank you. Spawn new shopper. So we can add remove this world. I mean, both are really, really good. That would be a great way for me to work out. But I don't think I would get anything done doing that. How am I supposed to work and work out at the same time? If you can answer that question, I might do it in the future, you know? And we can have the me being in pain stream. That would be perfect. Okay, so yeah, this would be a push-up. No viable arguments, something. I think it needs to include the shopper, probably. Did that work? No, it did not. I wonder if this would count as 2 push-ups. That would not incentivize me to do push-ups. That would just incentivize me to never compile, you know? Ah, okay, I'm an idiot. That's why. It's supposed to be spawnable shopper. Nice. Can have this, and we can do spawn new shopper. Okay, this time no errors. Will it compile? It compiled. I don't know if you can see it on stream. Okay, here, yeah, result succeeded. Took 10 seconds. That means no push-ups. Yeah, I know. First time. I'm kinda good at what I do, you know. Okay, it took an item, it leaves, it dies, never comes back. Perfect, perfect. So now we can, every time we remove one, let's spawn a new one. Yeah, okay, yeah, now I'm compiling again, and compile completed, build succeeded. I don't know what to say, like, I wouldn't do a single push-up. Okay, it leaves. It didn't spawn a new one. Okay, we have an issue. It's because this is never called. Give the AI another chance. No, he's gone. We should give them names. Dave. Dave feels like a good name. You can add this, like, yeah, there's this text renderer. You know, to give them more of a personality. So here's Dave. Dave is on his lovely shopping round. And then Dave died, but Dave is back. Yeah, I guess Dave is not a suitable name. I think Jesus is probably a better name. Because he's like reincarnated and stuff. You see, like, here, Jesus, he goes and dies, and boom, Jesus is back. Grabs his stuff. And boom, Jesus is back again. Oh. What a good guy. I mean, it could be Jesus, you know? Or God. God might be good, you know? But God can't die, so God light, I guess. Kinda God. Khalid. Okay, so now when we have created God, that's perfect. I think I can give these different skins. Yeah, works. It looks like... I think they have the same skeleton. I have more characters. And then, yeah, and since I can have like, I have a bunch of characters in stock, I can just randomize them, randomize the skin of it. Maybe I should add so that you can add your own character. Ooh. But now we're overscoping. So back to what I was supposed to do. Okay, so now it can pay and leave, right? And oops. So here we could have like a conditional evaluation on if it has paid or not. Would that matter? The character would leave anyways. Yeah, exactly. I need to finish the game first before adding customization. Okay, so we can do the cash registry interaction. And then when it's done, it will just move to the exit point. What else is needed here? Like it should become, okay, so it should become frustrated after a while. So in this base shopper, we can add like a float. It can be minimum weight. Can be an overall minimum wait time. And it's like 1 second. And the max wait time is 2 seconds for now. Then we can add some current time. And then here in the interaction, so if it hasn't paid, then let's, I guess, increase. Then let's like increase the current time. Oh, hello, hello. I'm fast at typing. Okay, so I could be faster, I guess. I wish I was faster. Okay, so... Alright, okay, so when here... when we enter the execution, we should pick like a max wait time. And by the way, out of space, Jian, Jija, I don't know. Welcome back, by the way. Long time no see. Nice to see you here again. Yeah, okay. So we have the random range. It should be between mean wait time and max wait time. Speedrunning coding. I mean, I think that's good, right? Okay, so if our current time I'm gonna do this the other way. If our current time has exceeded the max wait time, then we should be frustrated and just leave. That should let us, yeah. Cool. Okay, so now it should pick up an item. Then go here and yeah, leave. Cool. It works. And then I guess I could be taking the payment or not. Of course you can think. Thinking is easy. It's just put your mind to it. That's how you do it. Actually, we should look up how long is a goldfish attention span. How long does a goldfish attention? How long can a goldfish pay attention? 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is the attention of a goldfish. The average attention span for the notoriously ill-focused goldfish is 9 seconds. And that was from time. Okay, so and I trust time, so I guess 9 seconds. Good to know that your attention span is 9 seconds. I think that's even worse than the TikTok attention span, you know? You're doomed. You're so screwed. Reading a book will be impossible. But it's okay. You're here. I will keep you entertained for the upcoming 9 seconds. Start with the small books. Oh, the books with the pictures in them, you know. Okay. So now we got a shopper. It can become frustrated and leave. That's perfect. Do I give them some weird name? Amount needed. Okay. So memer. I guess this game will be about you just running a convenience store. You're running the quickie market, and you're supposed to just take payments from players, or from the players. Restock your shelves, and then something like that. Just a small cozy game. I guess I will add some cozy low poly music. My goal is for it to be a fairly small game, so I want you to be able to take payments, get some money, put more, build your own little shop, and then the customization could keep going from there. And I guess the difficulty level could increase. And if I want to make this even bigger, we can add some helper AI that can just do payments in the cash registry, or just do fulfillment, or I don't know. Let's see. That will be further out. Yeah. Have some employees or not sure. So let's say it waits for a minimum of 30 seconds and a maximum of 70 seconds. I guess if you would hire help, you would get less money, but you would get help. I don't know. Something like that. I'm not entirely sure myself. I'm just, winging it at this point. And we need to make a queue system, and there's a lot of fun systems to build at this point. Okay, so what should be the next task? Employees, employees, employees. Okay, so we got a lovely AI working. I wonder if I can... I would love to... now I'm just making sounds. Wow. So I'm wondering if what happens if I create like a bunch of players, AIs. Ooh. So we can have this. I should make this a bit more dynamic. I read minds, man. I read minds. Okay, making it more dynamic. I want some spawn points. Simple spawner, base spawner. That could be a volume too. Be an actor of some sort. I wonder if... Okay, let's create a spawner, I guess. So we can create this lovely shopper, spawner. I just need some points where it sets up the default part of it. Okay, cool. Now it works. We should probably make the nav mesh volume a bit bigger. Cool. And then we can have this shopper spawner. Oops. Okay, it needs an actor. Shopper spawner, BP shopper spawner. Cool. Now we can place them here. And I kind of want to give this a vector start point. And then when we have our start point, okay. Okay, cool. That means we can change this default point here. Then here we can do find static kismet stat. I wonder how you pronounce that. Will I ever know? Who knows? Get actor of class. Get. Then just get actor location. I mean, I do both. Like, it depends on what. Unreal has a really nice blueprint system. That is super nice for getting, you know, the last couple of things in. It can be like some UI things, just, hey, when I interact with this button, should it turn blue, green, or orange? It can be blueprints or blueprints. It can be behavior trees, for instance. Super nice creating state machines in. As you can see, I just create a graph of, hey, when a shopper, when the blackboard for the shopper starts, we just start from left to right. We check, hey, do we have the correct amount of items in our inventory? If not, then find the shelf, move to it, rotate towards it, wait a bit, you know, for realism, grab the item, and then just make sure that our result returns. I'm not sure if this is needed anymore. I don't know. And then just keep going until we have all the items. And when we have all the items, then this condition would be inversed. We would find a cash registry, move to it, interact with it, and then go die. Leave the world, as they say. And yeah, in that way, visual scripting is super nice, but I prefer coding, you know. I find it simpler to structure larger amounts of code. So in this case, cool. Now we can spawn them wherever we want. And now we have a spawner. So now we can give it like a radius. Wonder if you can do some kind of random cone, random range, no, frand, srand, frand, no. Returns a random vector unit uniformly distributed within a specific cone. But I don't want it in a cone like that. I want like a random point between from a vector to some random location. Is there random here maybe? Random. Nope. Point maybe. Point. Calculator. Nope, not that one. Nope. Okay. Then let's ignore that. Then we can just have a float. Const float. Radius. When we start this, we can then randomize fmap, and we can randomize between the start points x minus radius to x plus radius. And then just do it 2 times, one for y, one for x, and then the classic fifth start point in Z. Cool. And then we have a point, and this point we can spawn the player in. It was nice having you here, man. Nice seeing you again. Have a lovely, lovely evening. Okay, so now we can do, we have like a random point here. And we can spawn like 10 of them. Okay, now it should spawn a bunch of shoppers. Whoa. Bumpa 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 bumpa. All the Jesuses. Okay, I was like, I wonder if you will ever employ employees, but now when I have like more than one customer, this becomes like a lot. Ugh. I wonder what happens when the shelves are empty. Nice. They're lost now. Suckers. They're like, hello. Where's my food? Oh, he got his food. Nice, he's out. Perfect. Yeah, exactly. I thought about that. It feels weird that they can just walk into each other. They should be like queuing and stuff. But if they do, then like if everyone wants to get into this corner, they will block themselves into like oblivion. They won't be able to go anywhere. Okay. This was nice. I will think a bit about it. Yeah. But have a good night. I should probably end it right here too. So it was nice working a bit. Have a nice evening.